Guys, check this out. So what you're going to do today, I'm going to go ahead and connect my GoPro to this. Today I'm going to be trying out, we're just going to try to shoot with the GoPro. I'm just trying to get the GoPro from my bag right now. Yeah, today let's try to shoot on a GoPro. This is a GoPro 10, guys. We're just going to try to shoot on this today. Yeah, today's video we're just going to try out this camera, guys, today. So let me just go ahead right now and connect it to this right here. I'm just going to connect them, then go try to shoot something. We see how it can shoot. Yeah, let's do this. Let me connect it real quick. Take a look at that, guys. So I've actually managed to connect this GoPro to this. You see, now they connected. So now let's go try to shoot something on this right here. Let's see what we can get today. So guys, here we are. This is my very first try of a GoPro. So we're actually shooting this on this is a Go 10, guys. This is a Go 10 and this is actually my first. What do you guys think? Is it better than the phone, or is this just the same? Yeah, so yeah, I feel like it's really far better than the phone. What do you guys think? Yeah, can you see me? I have to take off my shades. So let's take test. We've actually started testing this camera right here. Yeah, this is our first video with a GoPro, and we started with a Go 10. This is a 10. We have the latest is 13. Yeah, so for us we're just working with a 10. Let's test it. And we also just try to extend this. I'm just using a selfie stick. I don't have the official GoPro stick. I'm just working with a small selfie stick. The one which people use with the phone. It's the one which I'm using right now. Let me try to extend it even further. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me right now. Yes, here we are. It's really nice, guys. So for it, I'm having a lot of comfort, and right now I'm just really having fun. Testing this camera, guys. We're in the lovely Entebbe, and currently I'm going up a hill as we speak. Look where I'm coming from. We're currently heading up a hill. Yeah, let's go. Coming from all the way down there, still going up. Just continue. Yeah, just okay. Guys, I'm still going up. Here we are. I don't know the quality of the. I don't know if you guys can hear me very well, but I hope you do. Let's continue. Let me just put on my shades, guys. I like to film when I'm having this on. So let's continue. Guys, it's going to rain. Can you guys see? It's going to rain. Let's continue. It's really nice. You know, this will actually help us to get better videos. This will help us get better videos than the ones we get better videos than the ones we were using. Like we usually used to use like a phone, but now we're just going to try to work with a GoPro from now. Let's continue, guys. We usually work with a phone, but we've just upgraded. So I hope our videos on our channel are going to improve. Let's continue. Let's go get this bus right here. I think I should show you where you're going. I'm still testing this GoPro, guys. Still testing the GoPro. This is a lovely Entebbe, guys. And today I have to be very fast because, you know, the rain is coming. Let me show you guys where you're going right now. Let me show you where you're going. Try to adjust this a little bit. Okay, so there you are. That's where you're going, guys. I'm just testing out the GoPro. My first time working with a GoPro. Let's go. It's your boy Akramat. Let's follow through from work. Those are my work boots. Guys, what I want you to do is to tell me down in the comment section what you think of this camera right here. It's our first video with a GoPro. Today we're just trying to test this camera, guys, because you know we usually work with the phone, but today we just try to upgrade to a camera. So yeah, this is a Go 10. We started with a Go 10 and hopefully we'll be switching to a 13. The 13 is the latest. Yeah, that's where you're going, guys. I'm still on the road. Yeah, here we are. This is a beautiful Entebbe, guys. Like I said, I'm now on the road. I don't remember the name of this road, guys. I don't really remember the name of the road, but you know, let's continue. So actually the airport is somewhere that side. Can you hear the sound of the planes? The airport is that side. See where I'm looking? Somewhere there. You see? The airport is that side. That side, do you see that side, guys? That's where you find the airport. Let's continue. Can you hear that sound? That's a plane. I think it's actually flying out, or it's just landing right now. Let's go follow through this road. We're just testing this camera, guys. Let's try this camera, guys, with a let's go try to get like a means of transport, so we can just try it inside a car, guys. Let's go. Let's go try it. I just want to go grab a taxi, guys. Then we go try it. There's some shirts I need to try. Yeah, and also just tell me down in the comment section what you think. Let me cross real quick. I'll walk across to... Nah, let me just stay this side. Guys, now I'm just going to go and grab a taxi, and then I want to try it out, to try to record when I'm inside the car. I'm just testing, guys. Today's video I'm just testing. Just testing our GoPro. This is our first GoPro. I'm trying to test it. Yeah, and I hope you like this video. Today we're just in the lovely Entebbe. This is Chitoro side. We're in the Chitoro side, just here to test. We've been here a couple of times before, many times, guys. So we can't really. We're just here to. You see the rain? The rain has started, guys. It started raining. Let's continue. It started raining. Yeah, today we're just here, guys, to just be testing the camera, and so far I'm liking it. So far I like its work. I noticed it's wider. It's wider than the phone. We usually used to record with the phone, but when I record with the phone, guys, you guys you can't see my background so well, but when I'm shooting on the GoPro, you guys can actually see the background pretty well. So let's just continue, guys. We're just on the road. Let's go. It's raining. It has started to drizzle a little bit, and right now just got to go inside the taxi. Then continue. Let's continue. Pass right here. I'm going to just pass right here to go get like a taxi right now. Let's continue. Here we are. This is a beautiful Chitoro, guys. Beautiful town. Let's go grab a taxi. Then we proceed. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Akramat. Drop a like, guys, and if you're new here, guys, please subscribe so you never miss anything we put out. Yeah, let's pass right here. We go grab a taxi, guys. Going to cross the road right now. We go grab a taxi. Go cross the road. Wait a little bit. We're going to cross. We just crossed the road. Yeah, across the road. So let's just go try to go a taxi to proceed to where you're going. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Akramart. It's a beautiful Chitoro side. Yeah, today we're just testing out the camera, guys. Tell me what you think about this camera. How do you guys think about it? Tell me, guys. Let's go. Let's continue, guys. Guys, it has started raining. As soon as I got out of the taxi, it started raining. But yeah, tell me what you think about this camera, guys. For me, I think it qualifies. It's good. I think that's why most of the creators out there use it. Yeah, so it qualifies. Now I'm just trying to hurry to get to home really quick. It's like I don't record him in my camera. And I was just like, what's wrong with that? I'm recording myself. Okay guys, we're on the road. It's raining. Let's go. Still on the road. Here we are. It's a good camera, guys.